Hey guys, it's Pengu is back with another video, and today I'll be showing you how to make your own custom Piggy menu screen. Let's get right on with it. Okay, to start off with, you're gonna need to have your Piggy or whatever character you have's animation. I have a link for that. I made a video on that yesterday. So as you can see, when I run, the animation will play. So once you have that done, you need to make two things. This is gonna be the first part, because this is where you want your player's camera to be. So let's just name this starting camera. Now once you have your starting part, you're going to want to see where the front of the part is. So you can simply do that by clicking on the part and going to properties and clicking surface and front surface, and it will light up. So this is the front surface, and with the front surface you're going to want to align it to where you want your player's camera to be. So since it's right here, I could look right there. So this is what the player is gonna see when they have the camera and when they start playing the game. So once you have that, you can make a second scene, duplicate it, and maybe name it EndingCam. And once you have that, this is where gonna be where your player starts, and once they click play, they're gonna go to intermission screen, and this is where you're gonna see the GUI and stuff like that. Okay, so first, before you do the scripts, you're gonna want to do two things. You're gonna want to anchor your starting camera and your ending camera. So if it's not anchored like this, you want to click anchor. So after you've done that, I actually had my GUIs already pre-built, and I already made it a little while ago. But you're gonna want to make two frames with a play screen and intermission screen. And inside of the play screen, let me make this visible one sec. Inside of the play screen, you're gonna want to add a play button, a shop, and credits. You don't have to add the shop and credits, they're just optional, but you have to add a play button because that's how the computer knows that you have to move to the next camera. So inside of the play button, you're gonna want to add a local script, and you can just copy me. Basically, when the player clicks the play button, it will move to this camera. That's basically what the script is. You could just pause here and copy me. Okay, so now after this, you're gonna want to make an intermission screen. Let me make this visible. You're gonna want to make an intermission screen with a frame and a back button. This is important so that the player doesn't have to reset their character or do anything else to get back to the starting position. So inside of the back button, you're gonna want to add a local script again, and basically this one you could just copy me here, and in this one, when you click that button, it'll basically go back to the starting position. And that's basically it. I'll show you what it's like. So now when you play the game, you could click play, and then it'll move to this next camera and show intermission. And when you click back, it'll go back to the same camera, and you can see the starting position. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you learn something. And yeah, thank you. And please make sure to subscribe and like this so that I can make more videos and stuff like that, I guess. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.